Hello from Italy, my name is Giuliana and I'm from SCOPELLITI 1887. Today I would like to present you this beautiful collection of crystal creations by Baccarat with the name I. As you can see, here we have a small vase of purple color and a large vase as well of purple color that is a little bit larger than the small one. As you can see, each vase has horizontal exterior parts and vertical internal parts that together create marvelous, almost magical light effect. As for me, I prefer, of course, purple color because I'm in love with color accents at home. So there are so many other colors available for this vase, and you can discover them if you go on our website www.scopelliti1887.com. As you can see, this eye collection consists of the large vase, the small vase, and this beautiful votive of the same color. And as you can see, the whole collection is an exceptional collection that has the beautiful game between lights and shadows, creating this marvelous effect and making each piece of this collection truly exceptional. If you like this video, please share it with your friends or relatives and click this like button here below or visit our website scopelliti1887.com.